morning. In this little video, we're gonna do a little ASMR scenario, and I'm just gonna take you around my day. I had a big week of live sales, so there's a lot of cleaning up, a lot of packing and shipping, a lot of putting things away and putting new accessories out and things. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do together today, and you're gonna kind of see what it's like in the day in the life of a wig boutique owner. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so it is 9:45. I open to the public at 11 for walk-ins. I do have 2 appointments today, one at 1 o'clock for a new customer and one at 3 o'clock for someone who's returning. I'm gonna get my Dr. Pepper Zero because I'm gonna need that today. I'm wearing Renee Paris's Bryony in the color Caramel Swirl. So I need to clean up my live sale room. I want to clean up the back room and also start getting stuff together to pack and ship. It is Saturday, so there's only a small window of time where I can ship things. Since the store isn't open, I'm probably gonna start with cleaning up this room and packing and shipping. And whatever I get done, I will pop over to the post office before I open, so that I can get those together. So I actually might do the packing and shipping first so that I can get out as many as possible. It is a holiday weekend, so I just want to do as much as I can before then. So let's get to that. Okay, so my partner, boyfriend, whatever. I'm like, whatever. I don't know. Okay, so this is a thing. I'm 48 years old and we've been together 5 years. Like, do I still call him my boyfriend? I'm not really sure. Let me know down below what you think. He got me a little iced coffee from our local coffee shop, which is Bean and Bear. And I have an appointment coming in an hour. So I have some wigs that I want to change around and do on the floor. So we're going to go do that. So it's basically approaching fall. What is your fall coffee drink? I have to know. I like anything pumpkin spice. Sometimes I like, what's that? Starbucks has that chestnut praline. That I like. But I like anything basically pumpkin spice. But so I ate. I did a bunch of packing and shipping before the post office closed. Now, I had a customer have a walk-in. I have 2 scheduled appointments. So I just want to get the store floor looking good before they come in. And then we will keep on doing our day together. So the coffee's kicking in. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching this video. You can find me at tmwigs.com. We have so many free resources, a wonderful community. We have a private Facebook group. We have another YouTube channel. We have so many things for you. So come on over, find us, like, subscribe, all of that. And I can't wait to see you again. Bye.